Good afternoon, my name is Jerry Alexander Fonseca Cruz. GRNG Pro is my company that I will select. Also, the export country that I select is Colombia, my home country. Talking about general aspect of the product, so it's rain clothing. Basically, the functionality is to isolate water to protect good use in the rough jobs and to be offered to offer good durability. They are safety clothes to protect from personal external factors like emergencies that you make or any other mistake that you make from the work periods. It's a very good quality and exceeds WCA standards. It support the environment because you don't have to replace it too quickly, and also is made by recycled products like polyester and things like that, and they are working in doing better. All clothes seems to are double stitched to provide maximum tear resistance, strength, and waterproofing. No glue because they don't have the same durability, so that's the competitive advantage from other company. And also failure to protect and your paralyze your health, and not only from blows but also from covering yourself from rain. So if you don't use clothes like for this circumstance, you would be sick and get illnesses that would be really serious. So now let's talk about the company, Ranger. They don't do offshore because they want to maintain the highest standard for the customers, to have the very really good products and not to make mistakes. It's a brand that have a lot of experience, was founded in 2014. The specialization is in Ranger and safety clothing for the heavy work. The company much more than expectation, started on certification. They give a outstanding product. They do much better what the customer expect. Now let's talk about the business opportunity. Of course, Canada will have a advantage in technology over Colombia because Colombia have advantage in technology, but they kind of have a lot of investigation and more experience in that sense. So that will give you a competitive advantage over the Colombian market. Colombia is a tropical country, one of the rainiest countries in the world, especially in Choco, the region of Choco. So that would give you a necessity of on a product that cover you from the rain. So it would be a really good opportunity for launching a product like rain from the company from Ranger. There are several industries that require high durable and water resistant clothing. In the market is constantly growing and developing, like the mining, construction projects, among other, and hardware tax. Colombia is a very biodiverse country. It's very rich in raw materials, things like that. So it's positioning as one of the largest country in mining. So there is a lot of these industries that is take raw materials. So there are a lot of industries, a lot of workers. So it would be a good market to cover and to offer this product that would help the workers over there. It have a very good relation not only with the international trade, like Colombia with Canada, because they have a free trade agreement, but they also have a lot of companies from Canada that are inside in Colombia doing the mining industry. So it would be great because you can also offer another company that come from Canada to make their protections and have a really good standards. There is a little competition because Ranger is a really international company, and the ones that are from Colombia, they are just national and they don't have that much technology. So it would be great for going in that market. And the export clothing in rain is not too high, so it would be a great opportunity to make it grow. Now the methodology would be secondary success. The main one is Sport Develop Canada, Ministry of Relations of Colombia, and of course the one of the website of Ranger. Now the research objectives to find the geological areas, specific one, identify the success sectors like the mining, if it is forests or firefighters who need it. Get information on how much customer would pay for that product. Investigate what are the purchasing methods for the customer. Investigate customer expectation and the product specification. The marketing and distribution techniques. So how I would make to know that product for the market and for the customer. Study the market to identify the potential customer, and if I need to do an adjustment or create a new product with the technological advances from the company. Now the conclusions. So do the geographical analysis to identify the size well, and the macroeconomic analysis to be clear about what type of client in order to be more accurate and what product is going to be prepared for export. Identify the purchasing power that is expected for the customer. Identify the market needs. The investigation will be suggestion for the production and distribution of the product. So basically, this is my reference, and that's